Okay. Do you see my screen? ऐसा कोई ये बीच में नॉइस क्या आ रहा? किसके पास से आ रहा हो?
तुम्हारा 2 इससे ज्वाइन हुआ है ना, इसके लिए शायद से एक कोई तो म्यूट
नहीं,
करना तुम्हें।
मैं म्यूट करे से I did mute myself.
हाँ, ये कर म्यूट है। और किसका फिर? बाकी
I
सब तो
think
सब म्यूट हो गए। नहीं, अभी
ठीक है,
क्लियर हो गए, अभी क्लियर हो गए, सब जने म्यूट हो गए।
ये रहे ना मेरा वॉइस एंड स्क्रीन बोथ आर विजिबल, राइट?
राइट।
Is anybody familiar with this big data?
Big data, I have to not studied in detail, Mamu, but I know basic thing about big data, that big data is nothing but where all the data regarding the particular server is saved, extracted, analyzed, I think.
What is the difference between data and big data?
Data is nothing but just a piece of information, and big data is the data which is collected from different resources.
Why it is called big data?
Big data in the sense too many resources are involved, plus a complex data. As compared to the data, a huge amount of complexity may arise when we are accessing or uploading a huge amount of data, I guess.
From where we get this huge data? When did this data become huge?
The data becomes
Because
huge when
data we had from the day world started, right? But big data was coined recently. Somebody coined this term big data because of something that changed in the world. What was that change?
That changed, I don't know. But big data, maybe that term coined because of involvement of too many members or too many servers. I can guess again, I'm telling because I am not aware completely regarding the big data. I have just heard from someone.
Let's go a step back. What is the difference between data and information?
Data, information. Data is nothing but a raw material, and information, when you give the meaning to that particular data, it becomes the information. Correct?
That is exactly correct. So data is just a collection of facts and figures.
Yeah.
It has no meaning. When you extract some meaning out of it, some value out of those facts and figures, that becomes information.
Yeah.
Okay. Is everybody with me? From the list of participants?
नहीं, 2 मिस है ना अभी।
I mean, are you getting what we just discussed? Mahin?
हाँ मामू.
Any idea on big data?
Big data, huge amount of data which is not processed or manipulated. Simply
Where is this
stored.
big? Where is this big data? Why are we calling it as big data? Why are we not just calling it as data?
Maybe it is huge in quantity. That's why we are calling it as big data.
When did it become huge? Where is this huge data?
When we simply store that data,
Who is storing? With the advent of internet, when internet started, the data started getting huge. That too, it started getting huge when we started social networking worldwide. Like we started using Facebook, we started using Twitter, we started using Instagram, we started using WhatsApp. So entire world is dumping data on the internet every second. What are the different formats that the world is dumping data on the internet? What are the different formats in which internet is being bombarded with data?
Audio, video, text.
Audio, text. What else?
browsing histories, feedbacks.
What else? What else? That is feedbacks and all, that is text only. I just want formats. What formats? Maybe internet पर जाते देखो गाँव में internet बना जाता.
Image formats.
Yes. We have text, that is WhatsApp. Major source of text data is WhatsApp, Twitter, wherein we text, post our blogs, social blogging sites. Next is Instagram, Facebook, where we upload images, videos, right?
Yeah.
Websites like Ghana.com and other websites that hold audio data. Even WhatsApp, Facebook, these applications hold audio data. Like on WhatsApp, if you send a voice message, that's an audio message. That's a data in audio format. So entire world is talking, chatting, right? When they are chatting, they are sending data, they are dumping in text format. When they are talking, they are dumping data in audio format. When we are doing WhatsApp calls, they are dumping data in the form of audio. When they are doing audio calls, like what we are doing right now, we are dumping both audio, video, both on the internet. This data is going on Zoom. This data is with Zoom now because we are using Zoom. So when we had data initially, when internet started, how did we store data? Before WhatsApp, before Facebook, before Twitter, we had very minimal amount of data. Where did we store data?
On hard disks.
What tools did we use? Sufyan,
हाँ मामू.
what is your company doing to store data? What is your company using to store data?
Okay. MS Excel, database, Access.
Yes. We used to store data which was in scattered format. We used documents to store data.
Yeah.
We used Excel to store the data in a little structured manner wherein you can define columns, rows, categorize data, and then store it. As opposed to the data which is stored in Notepad out of Word document, Excel is a better structured data. You will get less meaning in the data that is stored in Notepad or Word against the data that is stored in Excel.
Excel.
Am I making sense, Sufyan?
Right, मामू.
Yes. So then we said, okay, Excel, like, I think, Sufyan, तेरी company कौन सी है?
Racket Bankizers.
Okay, that company might be having very little amount of data that they want to store. That's why they are using Excel sheets. Or they don't want to store a lot of historical data. Like today, Sufyan is generating daily reports or storing data in Excel sheet. He might be storing Excel sheet of past 1 month maximum or 6 months maximum. कितने दिन की रखता सुफियान?
हमें फिलहाल अभी लास्ट ईयर से मेंटेन कर रहे हैं 2018 से 2018-2019
पूरे लास्ट ईयर के एक्सेल शीट्स नहीं.
हाँ, लेकिन वो वन ड्राइव पे अपलोड है.
वन ड्राइव पे अपलोडेड है.
हाँ.
So they are using third party storage system. Okay, to store that data.
पूरा अपना डेस्कटॉप डाउनलोड जो भी रहेगा अपना कंप्यूटर का आईडी में तो सब वन ड्राइव पे अपलोड रहता है, तो कहीं से भी हम लोग एक्सेस कर सकते हैं उसे.
Is your OneDrive account official?
हाँ, ऑफिशियल है.
Okay. So they are trying to use Excel and secure their data on OneDrive by purchasing a OneDrive account. They have an official OneDrive account. Okay. That is one way of storing data. That is very basic way of storing data. Now, companies which are more bigger than what Sufyan's company is, like Infosys, Wipro, Oracle, IBM, Google, Facebook, they can't store their data in Excel sheet, right? Because they are huge. Their customer base is in billions. Correct?
पॉसिबल भी नहीं है ना उनके लिए. उनके लिए पॉसिबल भी नहीं है ना डेटा वैसा मेंटेन करने के लिए एक्सेल में.
So what are they doing then?
वो अलग अलग अपने अपने हिसाब से फॉर्मेट में रखते जाएंगे. अगर इमेजेस हैं तो इमेज का अलग, वीडियोस हैं तो वीडियोस का अलग.
What tools are they using? Like you are using Excel today. What are their options?
वो भी क्लाउड में रहेगा ना, क्लाउड पे रहेगा ना.
Mahin, Mahin,
हाँ मामा.
Facebook, Google, Microsoft, where do they store their data?
Cloud.
I want the tool name. Like Sufyan's company is using Excel sheet. What are they using? For any other big company, what might they be using? What is the advanced version of Excel sheet?
Access है ना?
Oracle database.
Yes. Advanced version of Excel is Access. MS Access. That's a database. Basically, it's a database. Like Mahin said, Oracle is also a database. But it is not, MS Access is not as rich in feature as Oracle is. MS Access is just an advanced version of
Excel.
Excel.
That is spreadsheet. It allows you to query data using SQL. Right? So the next option that companies had after Excel sheet document is databases. Now database में format क्या रहता? What is the format in which the data is stored in databases?
Rows and columns.
Rows and columns again. Then what is the difference between an Excel sheet and a database?
We use primary key, foreign keys.
Yes. There is you can define relationships. In Excel sheet, you can't define relationship between the data. In case of databases, you can define relationship between the data sets that you have. So what is the basic unit of databases to store the data? That's table, right? In database, you have something called table, which is an advanced version of a sheet in Excel sheet. You have a sheet in Excel sheet, you name the sheet. At the bottom of the Excel sheet, you can name the sheet. You can define a name for the sheet, right? Collection of sheets is called a workbook, right?
Right.
Likewise, in database, you can name a table, like you name a sheet in the Excel sheet, and collection of tables is called a database. Like in Excel sheet, it's a workbook. In database system, it's called a database. Database is a collection of tables. Table is a collection of column and rows. Like in Excel sheet, you have column and rows. Clear?
Clear.
So far, so good. Is everyone with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody lost? Okay. We started from the definition of data. We compared data and information. We then looked at the types of data. Then we looked at the options to store them. We started with Excel sheet. We came to database. We are discussing the formats, right? So each, now database is, when you say database has a relationship, it's called RDBMS, right? What's that?
Relational Database Management System.
Exactly. So a database is called RDBMS only if you define relations in it. If you don't define relations in a database, what is that database called?
DBMS.
No, it's called NoSQL database. NoSQL. Because RDBMS database uses SQL to query the data. Right? What is SQL?
Sequential Query Language.
Structured query language or
Structured Query Language.
Jabin, what is it? Sequential or structured?
Structured, Mamu. Structured query language.
Yes. So RDBMS uses SQL to query the data because there are relations in it, and SQL supports querying the data using the relation, because when you query the data, you define select star from table name where you use the primary key there, like employee ID is equal to 1. Have you ever written SQL query in your academics?
Yes, Mamu.
Yes, Mamu.
Not in academics, but while teaching.
Okay. So that query, that was a basic query that every graduate should and must know. I am assuming all the graduates in here know a basic SQL query, that is select star from a table where primary key is equal to this. Right? So RDBMS uses SQL to query the data. If I don't store the data in rows and columns, and I don't define the relations, that type of database is called NoSQL database, because I don't need SQL to query that data, because I don't have relations. That is called NoSQL database.
No, read it.
There are two types of database. One is RDBMS, the other is NoSQL. We are yet not at the big data. We have not reached big data yet. We are still at database management system. When RDBMS failed to address few use cases, then people came up with the notion of NoSQL. There are a lot of NoSQL databases in the market now. Now the data started growing and growing and growing. Even the database, RDBMS database system and NoSQL database system were not sufficient to store and process this data. Now someone came up with a tool called Hadoop, HADOOP. Now these are people defined new databases to store big data, which can store large number of data in database.
Mamu. Hello.
Yes.
What is this Hadoop?
Hadoop is
The
just
voice.
a tool to store big data. Hadoop is an umbrella under which there are a lot of databases that store big data.
Okay.
Okay. गया तुम्हारा फोटो तो इंटरनेट पे छई यहाँ पे
यूट्यूब पर अपलोड होता है पूरा वीडियो, यूट्यूब पर अपलोड होने वाला है। नहीं अपलोड होता है ये पूरी मीटिंग अपलोड करने का यूट्यूब पर।
मैं जमीन को देखने कहते थे आप
ऐसा कट कर को डाला।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नानी।
वालेकुम सलाम।
रजाई
तो उम्र बड़ी हो जान वो तक इलम हो अच्छा डोंगर तक का इलम हमको अपने से कमाल नहीं क्या आप
ने उनको जरा लेट सी बोले
बोलो ना लेट
ठीक है।
मामूर हो जाए
सब दिन रो जाइले मां ठीक है। Now these are the topics that are covered in this presentation. Big data, facts, definition of big data, tech tools, data science, skills and career paths, and conclusion. मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा नहीं?
दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ दिख रहा है।
ये क्या है स्लाइड है?
Tell me what it is. बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन है इंटरनेट पे। What is the measuring unit of data? How do you measure data?
In terms of bits.
ये सब जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ नहीं, you should jot this down, huh? You should note this down. I am throwing a lot of useful information when I'm talking. So if you note it down, it will be useful for you.
I am noting it down.
Okay. What is the measuring unit of data?
Bytes.
No, bits. Bits and bytes.
The smallest unit is bits and bytes.
Bits and bytes.
Go on. After bytes,
Bits, bytes,
किलोबाइट्स,
kilobytes.
how many bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte?
1024.
Go on. 1024 KB is equal to
1024 KB is equal to 1 MB.
1024 MB.
1 GB.
1024 GB.
TB.
1024 TB.
Yetabytes or something. Yetabyte,
Terabytes.
zettabyte, terabyte. So sorry, terabyte.
Terabyte. So 1024 terabytes is, I think, zettabyte. ये
Zettabyte.
जो लिखे से 2012 में 2.75 million zettabyte.
I think zettabyte is the last one, na Mamu?
Right. So this is just a slide which shows how much data you have on the internet in 2012, 2015. If you want the latest